In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Etsy if your account has been deactivated. It's a straightforward process, but having a clear roadmap can make everything much smoother. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring that you're equipped with everything you need to get your account back up and running. First things first, head over to the Etsy website and sign into your account. It's important that you do this, as many support options require you to be logged in to access them fully. Once you're in, look towards the top or bottom of the Etsy homepage for the Help and Support link. Clicking this will lead you to a drop-down menu. From the options in the drop-down menu, click on Help Center. The Help Center is your gateway to finding solutions for a variety of issues you might face on Etsy. Here, you'll notice a search box prominently displayed. Type in something like account suspended to start zooming in on the problem at hand. Your search results should bring up a link titled How to Contact Etsy Support. Clicking on this link will further expand on guidance specific to our issue. On the resulting page, you'll see an option to Contact Support. When you click this, you'll be directed to a form that needs a bit of your attention. At this point, you'll have the choice to indicate whether you're buying or selling on Etsy. Choose the option that fits your situation to help Etsy provide more accurate support. Next, navigate to the section labeled Account Access and Settings and click on My Account is Suspended. In this section, you'll find an option to File an Appeal. This is where it becomes crucial to provide accurate and complete information. Be ready to give your name and the email address associated with your Etsy account. If you're a seller, you'll also need to provide your shop name, order history, and any pertinent details relevant to your situation. Don't forget to include any emails or notices from Etsy explaining why your account was deactivated. In cases where Etsy asks for proof of identity, be prepared to upload documents like a driver's license or national ID. If there were financial issues such as an outstanding balance, make sure to prove it's settled or describe how you plan to do so. After you filed your appeal, keep an eye on your email inbox, including spam and junk folders, for messages from Etsy. If they instruct you to provide additional documents or correct a violation, ensure you comply promptly. Patience is key, as the review process can take some time depending on the complexity of the situation. Following these steps carefully should increase your chances of successfully resolving the issue with your Etsy account. Good luck, and I hope to see your shop back and thriving soon.